Drinking water upside down might just be the hiccup hack you never knew you needed. Imagine this: you're in the middle of a meeting or a first date, and those pesky hiccups just won't quit. Instead of waiting them out or trying to hold your breath, grab a glass of water, bend forward, and sip from the far rim of the glass. This quirky technique creates a shift in your diaphragm's movement and diverts your focus, tricking your body into resetting its breathing rhythm. It's like a magic trick for your insides. While there's no scientific guarantee, many swear by this method as their go-to hiccup remedy. Next time you're caught off guard by an unexpected bout, give it a try and surprise yourself with how something so simple can be so effective. Your friends might just crown you the hiccup guru.